Good afternoon, this is Air.Queen Creations 2021. This is my Shaman Oracle reading for this week. Today I'm finishing up reading for Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius and Pisces. And this reading here is for Capricorn. Welcome Capricorn. The reading starts with the Astrology of You and Me deck. The card is the Capricorn Parent. The strengths are being responsible, caring, and loving. Weaknesses are being strict, demanding, and coercive. The interactive style of the Capricorn parent is being authoritative, protective, and controlling. A Capricorn parent takes the role of being a parent very seriously. They will see that their children are well looked after, and they will never shirk their responsibilities toward them. And although Capricorn parents are very loving, they may choose to withhold their love as a weapon in coercing their children to seek their approval and to accede to their demands. The Good Tarot deck has two cards. Card number 1 is the Page of Air, and it is about new ideas, a theory not yet proven, curiosity, and new focus. Say this calls for greater investigation, as we have only scratched the surface. I do not really know. That is interesting. If I explore this way of thinking, what can I learn? And the second card is the Queen of Fire. And this Queen is about determination for a new adventure, innovation, independent, creative action, a spirited and a headstrong person. Say this: I have an unstoppable spirit and can co-create all that I desire. Surrounded by spirit and illuminated by the wisdom that rises up within me, I set forth on a path to innovate. I trust in my vision and act accordingly, remaining true to what I most value and desire, which can manifest in many forms. The Sacred Traveler card is taking shelter, saying that the answers, they are within you. The card's meaning is to retreat, replenish your inner resources, and incubate your ideas for the future. Renew your energy and do whatever you need to do to care for yourself. Mend physical objects in your home, organize your possessions, and heal your relationships. Protect yourself from less than positive outside forces. Clutter clearing, but at the same time gather your resources around you. You are preparing for a kind of springtime energy in your life, but take care of the details and create a foundation now before this spurt of energy. Otherwise, it can seem a bit overwhelming. The Sacred Traveler wants you to know, when winter comes or a storm threatens, the traveler takes shelter. It is a time of incubation for you, a retreat, and a gathering of your inner resources. So it is time to plan and prepare for the future and for springtime, new beginnings, and a new cycle. The traveler knows the importance of rest and of recuperation. So take care of your body and of your health. Watch your dreams for insights about the future and repair whatever needs to be repaired in your life. The Goddess Temple card that came out is the dance, and the dance is about reactivating your body memory through movement and offer your creative energy to the goddess using music and lots of creativity. Through sacred performance, the incorporation of divine energy in dance, and the mystical connection of soul and body with the goddess that inspires you. You can live and feel the musical beat and the lively rhythm. And the last card is the Oracle of the Birds card. It's from a new deck. And the bird that came out for you is the Seagull. And the Seagull is about constant flow of life and guidance. The meaning of the card is that a master of the air and the water comes flying into your life to remind you once more of your very own rhythm. With the seagull by your side, you get in touch with the primal feminine energy and the power of the moon. With the seagull, you learn to rejoin the tides of your life, and you dive deep into the spirit of water and into the spirit of air. Permeate all your feelings while simultaneously soaring to airy heights in order to connect with your spirits. Just when your circumstances seem to bring you to your knees, the seagull brings you the deep realization everything is happening in your time. So stay connected and trust the flow of life. The magic feathers, they speak to you saying, my screeching can be heard from afar, even before my white feather robe appears, shining brightly in the sky. With a sweeping beat of my wings, I remind you of your own vastness, carry you up into spiritual realms, and endow you with access to the eternal source. In very moments, I proclaim the glad tidings of land in sight. Stay focused, wing beat by wing beat, stay focused, wing beat by wing beat, until you reach your goal. There are more meanings to the bird. In Greek mythology, the seagulls were dedicated to Aphrodite. It shows seafarers the way to the harbor. To dying seafarers, the seagull is a bearer of hope, an angel in a white feather robe. To know yourself, you need the company of others. Have you arrived in the rhythm of your life? Soul guide through all times of life is this bird. Do not interfere in the affairs of others without being asked, is the advice given. Find your place in the community and beware of inappropriate quarrel. See this affirmation. connected to my spirits, I joyfully and confidently turn to my very own rhythm of life. That was the reading for you, Capricorn. I thank you for listening. I do wish you a beautiful day today and a good rest of the week. I am sending out much love to you. Take care and goodbye.